Good morning. I don't even know what day it is. I know it's the start of the third 6 weeks. Just went to go clock in, get my mail. This is Skills USA Day. I'm in my Skills uniform because today, I should put my eyeballs on. Today is officer installation. So it came by super fast. Oh, I need to go to the post office to get. My throat has been just the worst sickly year ever. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the post office to get some stamps, and then I have to go get some stuff during the break, during my lunch for this Saturday. I have not even finished planning that event. Anyway, today is Skills USA Officer Installation. Has come by so fast. We definitely I don't know. I don't think we have a lot of kids today. What we do is we plan it for the whole campus. So all 3 grade levels for cosmetology, 10th, 11th, and 12th. And then we have, this time we have construction joining, and then computer maintenance, and engineering hasn't messaged me back. Culinary's out and not doing Skills USA this year. Welding has not responded, but usually they just show up. Maritime is kiddos work. Electrical, I think they're opting out. I don't know that he either doesn't have his officers together or he's busy or whatnot. Isn't it funny how we do like this face whenever we're doing our mascara? Really just giving ourselves more brow wrinkles. I don't really do a lot of makeup, y'all. When I was at Paul Mitchell, I would like have the 10-layer look. Wear heels every day. Decorate myself with the jewelry from top to bottom. I mean, I was legit. I don't do that anymore. I should. So during my running around at lunchtime, I don't have very long. I want to see if I can get a cake. I don't know, because that's not an out-of-pocket expense. So I gotta get cake and plates and forks and napkins and something to drink. But we did it one time and it was really cool. I have to get all the decoration stuff out of the closet. And then in the afternoon, we opened the partition in Miss Valaire's classroom. And the senior classroom, and we put the chairs all together. So I have to get my script out. So some of the things I'll get, and I'll maybe show you guys later, are the cords and the stool. So being an officer, they do get a stool. And then back here, I have this little bucket, this one right here, such a mess. I was supposed to get a curtain to hide all of that mess, but one day. That bucket there has all of my Skills USA stuff, so I need to pull that out and have like some certificates and have a little pin, and then take the red jackets out and take some pictures with that for the kids to take some pictures. So I have to get that. So we flip this around to show you a few things that we've got going on. All right, we did get an order in. Check this baby out. Ooh, look at that. I am gonna pull this baby out. I cannot wait, I'm so excited. So we're doing the foot massage, or the foot, we're on feet right now. So we're doing I recorded yesterday's lesson, so I'll do it again today. We are doing the foot mask. So we're gonna do the mask in here, put the bag in here, put the liners over the mask, and then to wrap it, and then wrap it over a warm towel and rub that off. So I've got to get the foot so I can demo on the foot. And then so we can continue to add to our list. So this is a service menu list. I've got to do something about this board, but I've been adding like the services that, let me pause right here so you can pause it and look. Add all the services that we have been learning in class thus far. All of the 9th graders have learned all of this. It's not a lot, honestly. It looks like it's really not a lot. We should have more, but we start facials. We started facial bookwork yesterday for freshmen, so we start facial soon. So these are the things they can practice during salon days, and then for salon days, these are the things that the sophomores can service clients with, and they can do this as well because I have the products out. Now here, I have this big tall cabinet I ordered. That's in that box. I just don't have the tools. We also have our 100 Club, and the 100 Club are the 9th and 10th graders that made a 100 for the last 6 weeks, and they are eligible to attend the field trip of the opposite grade level. So after spring break, wow, I can't wait for it, I guess. After Thanksgiving break, that Monday, Tuesday, we have field trip. Horrible planning. I don't know what I was thinking. But we have the field trip those 2 days for 9th and 10th. It's a salon tour underground tunnels downtown for the 9th graders. And then for the 10th graders is nail salon tour. So the 9th graders, if they're on the 100 Club, can go to the 10th grade field trip. And then 10th graders, if they're on the list, can go to the 9th graders. So they've got to have 100, meaning they have to wear their uniform every day. Anyway, so that list starts long and then it does this. So we have the pedicure bins over here that are clean. I restocked all of the supplies in here for Salon Day the other day. I did get this in the mail, and I got it from Amazon as well. So you put cups in here and then you dispense them. You have to like put it like this. So I'm gonna do that, not permanently, but I'll put it up there, but just because it's more sanitary than just having them out like that. And I need to restock this as well. This too, because they eat that. I did do some prizes, and I did get rid of a lot of the stuff in the treasure box, so that's good. And then we have a list going on because we have our November Friendsgiving social, so the students are writing down what they're gonna bring. I kind of reorganized my cart a little bit just to clean it up because I'm about to use it. Oh, it's stuck. But look what I found on Amazon and got. It's a purple disinfectant container. I have a white one, but I'll switch it to my purple. I love it. I gotta clean her off, and I did find that headband, I think at the dollar store. Oh, here's a kid. All right, students asking for a field trip form. Okay, so still I'm gonna put that away. I need to. And then this is our presentation table. I have to go to the store, get some more. I have not. Going through napkins like crazy. This is a nail wheel we are going to be working on. I need to do the board. Got things that I need to pass out. Got the winners of the project. I've got the shields. I've got my little wall of honor over there. I finally got the permanent markers that I'm going to pass out to the students so they can keep in their bins. Got bookwork I need to grade. That's a scary stack. I got them a little jewelry box from Amazon. And they put their jewelry in here when they have to take their jewelry off. Y'all, this is a game changer. So they each got one, 9th and 10th grade. They get to keep it, but it's got to stay in their backpack, purse, or in their kit. It cannot go home. Like to stay at home. So I got a bunch of nail art stuff, so some things for fall because I had not gotten fall items. So I need to package these things, hand them out. The black diamonds, I couldn't find them, so I just ordered new ones. I really hope somebody didn't take them, but if they did, that's their head on the pillow. This is a glove and mask dispenser. Excited for that. And then this is a zip bag dispenser. So some things for the new lab. Alcohol and toner. Cleanser still missing, but I went ahead and got my bottles and started to fill them with these products. I just need to label them. The things out here are out for the items the students need, and for my little garden at home, I went ahead and picked some flowers and things so they can put on their plate. They're about dying, but all right, so I'm going to get off of here. I have, oh my gosh, the bell's about to ring. I need to get the hot warmer out and then run to the bathroom and get ready. Ready, set, go. All right, my friends, let's see. Okay, I've got to fill this tiny container with lotion, and I don't have the funnel. The funnel I have is it's not gonna work. How do you do it? So this is how I do it. I'm not saying it's the right. You should have a funnel. I don't have a big enough funnel. Take a zip baggie, fold the cuff, Pour product in. Oh, I need to work out. That's too heavy. Pour product in the amount that you think you're going to be using. Could be a little less so that way you don't waste. All right, so we're going to flip it over, take the air out, okay? And then we need some scissors. 1 second. Of course, they're purple. We're gonna take and cut a small corner. When you cut, understand, when you cut the corner, you cut twice the size. So the bigger it is, the bigger the hole. So then I'm going to bring all of this over and voila, squeeze it in like so. So this is how and this bottle is like not flat at the bottom, so easily topples over. So this is how I fill bottles, or like when students need to fill bottles and we don't have a funnel, or the students, or I have to get it done quickly and the students have a short amount of time, I fill up baggies, and this is how we do it. And I have like 6 bags, and I pour, you know, the product that I need in the bag, and have 6 stations or 6, you know, sets of the product, and it just goes by so much faster. Is it messier? Sure. Is it easier with the funnel? Sure. Look, this just works for what I need, okay? There's, I'm sure, better, easier ways. You can get pumps and do pumps, but then the pumps, when you put the pumps on the big gallons, there's this big old long pumps that make the bottles really tall, and then they don't fit in the cabinet. Oh, I hate it. And then all the product spills out when they're trying to push the product. You know, this has a big old long pump, and so annoying. So then they do this to get as much product as possible. Oop, squeeze it all. And then you just throw the bag away. Now if you're, you know, wanting to be conservative and recycle, you could wash the bag, and you could, you know, reuse the bag. You could keep, look, life's too short, okay? Sometimes you just gotta get it done. And voila, these are ready to go. So we have our list going. It's gonna be a sad Friendsgiving, let me just say. Okay, so this baby worked out awesome. I love it. Like if I wanted to do the masks up here, and then I wanted to do the towels down here, or sometimes like students won't put a towel in there and then they don't get the same towel back. Like, I didn't get a towel, but I put a towel in there, and I'll say, okay, this half of the room, you guys put a towel on the top, you guys put a towel on the bottom. I mean, it would solve so many problems. Okay, so I have this here is the product we're doing tomorrow. So we have the milk and honey, and it's La Pomme. Love this brand. I've got my 2 little lotions. These are not the original containers that came with this. I don't know what happened to those. But this is the warmer. And then we're doing paraffin. Got all the stuff. We got the antiseptic foot spray. We don't need the tray, so I'll put these away. I need to wash those towels. The seniors are using the washer dryer. So here we have the setup already. So this is what this I'll take this entire tray, and then I will put that on the table tomorrow morning, and then I'm ready to go. So I know for tomorrow morning I'm good. I rolled the paraffin machine in here, and I went ahead and plugged it in so I wouldn't forget, because tomorrow morning there's just no way. So go ahead and do it now. We have officer installation later today, and I know I'm gonna forget. I gotta go run around at lunchtime here in a little bit. So then I went ahead and set up all the facial stuff. So this is a basic facial table setup that we're gonna start with, so that they can set it up, know what needs to be pulled out for a basic facial. And then we're gonna go over the rest of their supply so that they know what those things are used for, why we use them, etc., etc. We do have the Image Expo coming up on Monday, so I've got to get the permission slips up. Y'all look, did I show you this? This is the November nail art contest. A freshman. This is freshman work. Look at that. This girl is amazing. I graded the vocabulary in between passing periods. Things for the 9th, 10th graders, I've went ahead and put those out. I'm gonna do the board really quick. So I'm gonna do the board. All right, and then I'm gonna run to the store. Ready, set, go. All right, so I have these little bags I made a long time ago when I took snacks and stuff, and I just had some left over. And then I had, it's like 3 or 4 years, maybe that's a long time ago. But anyway, in here we have some stickers, some AirPod ear thingies, a lanyard, and a button. So I'm gonna give these to my officers. I've got my name tag here. The washer was still not available, and I'm working on, y'all, I've literally have dragged this bag back and forth. I need to empty this today because I'm tired of dragging around, but I'm need to put my facial journal together. I'm gonna do that right now. Kids will be here in a little bit, but at least I'm gonna pull it out because I literally have dragged this back and forth so many times and I've done nothing with it. So I also want to set up my new holder. So I'm gonna get rid of that ugly thing over there, and this is white, so it's gonna look better. So I'm gonna open this now.